Technologies that will change the world. In a world where change is happening at a breakneck pace, technology is now responsible for revolutionary changes that affect every aspect of our lives. The rate at which innovation is happening is unparalleled, affecting everything from communication to problem-solving on a global scale. However, what about the technologies that holds the potential to transform industries, economies, and communities at a fundamental level, surpassing just incremental advancements? A few cutting-edge technologies are poised to upend the status quo as the 21st century progresses, providing answers to some of the most important problems facing humanity and opening up opportunities that were previously unthinkable. These technologies are not just evolving, but they have the potential to completely transform the way people engage with machines. Artificial intelligence, for example, has the ability to revolutionize this interaction, and quantum computing holds the promise of solving issues well beyond the capabilities of present computers. We are at the cusp of a technological revolution, and anyone trying to navigate the future needs to comprehend these developments. This examination of the leading disruptive technologies reveals the breakthroughs that will impact not just the coming years, but also the generations to come. Greetings from the age of revolutionary technologies ready to alter the course of history. 1. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Industries are already being revolutionized by artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML), and these technologies' growth is only accelerating. These tools have the capacity to evaluate enormous volumes of data, automate difficult jobs, and even make judgments quicker and more correctly than people. Algorithms used in AI and ML are helping with disease diagnosis, patient outcome prediction, and treatment personalization in the healthcare industry. AI is also becoming more and more important in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and finance since it increases productivity by automating repetitive operations. Furthermore, AI-powered technologies are starting to play a bigger role in our everyday lives. AI is radically altering how we engage with technology, from simpler applications like self-driving cars and smart cities to more sophisticated ones like virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. Artificial intelligence (AI) has the capacity to handle global concerns such as food security, public health, and climate change. Thus, its influence is only going to increase going forward. But there are drawbacks to the development of AI as well, such as worries about privacy invasion, the loss of jobs, and moral dilemmas with automated decision-making. Making sure AI is developed and used responsibly will be essential to maximizing its advantages and reducing any potential drawbacks. 2. The concept of quantum information. The future of computer power is represented by quantum computing. Quantum computers use quantum bits qubits, which are bits that can exist in several states concurrently, as opposed to classical computers, which process information in binary form zeros and ones. Because of this, they are able to complete intricate computations faster than traditional computers. Problems that are currently beyond the capacity of even the most sophisticated supercomputers may be solved by quantum computing. Because it makes it possible to simulate intricate chemical structures and find novel medications, it has the potential to completely transform industries like material science, pharmaceutical research, and cryptography. Quantum computing is developing quickly while being in its infancy. Major investments in the technology are being made by firms like IBM, Google, and Microsoft, some of which have already made notable advancements. Climate modeling, financial modeling, and optimization issues are just a few of the urgent problems that quantum computing has the potential to solve when it becomes more widely available and useful. 3. Genetic engineering and biotechnology. Genetic engineering and biotechnology have the potential to completely change agriculture, healthcare, and even the human body. Technological developments in CRISPR clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats have, for example, improved the accuracy and accessibility of gene editing, enabling researchers to alter DNA in living things. Genetic engineering has the potential to improve healthcare by treating inherited disorders, developing individualized treatments based on a person's genetic composition, and even delaying the aging process. The capacity to change genes has also created new opportunities in agriculture, allowing for the creation of genetically modified crops that are resistant to pests, diseases, and drought, which could help with the world's food shortages. But these developments also bring with them moral conundrums like worries about designer babies and the unforeseen effects of genetic modification. The possibility of abuse emphasizes the necessity of laws and moral principles to direct the ethical advancement of biotechnology. 4. Technologies for storage and renewable energy. The need for renewable energy solutions is growing as the globe struggles with climate change. Although renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower have advanced recently, energy storage is still a major obstacle to their wider use. But advances in energy storage technologies and batteries are starting to alter that. By storing surplus energy produced during periods of peak production, solid-state batteries, a type of battery that is more efficient and long-lasting. have the potential to increase the viability of renewable energy sources. This would guarantee a consistent flow of electricity, even in the absence of wind or sunshine. Furthermore, new developments in clean energy technology, such as hydrogen fuel cells, may offer different approaches to energy distribution and storing. These developments are also helping electric cars (EVs), since new battery technology allow for faster charging periods and longer driving ranges. The development of storage technologies makes the shift to a world powered by renewable energy sources more likely, which lessens our need on fossil fuels and helps slow down the consequences of climate change. 5. Driverless automobiles. Once considered a sci-fi fantasy, autonomous cars are already becoming commonplace. Transportation is about to undergo a revolution thanks to self-driving cars, trucks, and drones that decrease pollution, increase efficiency, and decrease human error. Autonomous vehicle technology is receiving significant funding from well-known firms like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber. Test drives of these vehicles are already being conducted on public roads. The possibility exists for autonomous cars to completely change entire sectors. Self-driving vehicles, for instance, could simplify delivery procedures in logistics, cutting expenses and enhancing supply chain effectiveness. Autonomous ride-sharing systems have the potential to revolutionize urban transportation planning and public transportation by mitigating traffic congestion and reducing the ownership of personal vehicles. Even with the promise of driverless cars, difficulties still exist. Before autonomous vehicles are widely used, there are a number of issues that need to be resolved, including safety concerns, regulatory barriers, and public acceptance. But this technology is one to keep an eye on in the upcoming years due to its potential advantages in terms of ease, safety, and environmental impact. 6. Augmented and virtual reality. The manner in which virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) are merging the digital and physical domains in novel and fascinating ways are revolutionizing our perception of the world. AR projects digital data onto the physical world, whereas VR submerges users in fully digital worlds. Although these technologies are already employed in the entertainment, gaming, and educational sectors, their uses are far-reaching. VR and AR are being used in the medical field to treat patients, train medical staff, and simulate surgery. Before making a purchase, customers may try on clothing or see furniture in their homes thanks to augmented reality in retail. Virtual reality (VR) is being investigated as a tool for remote work as well, allowing teams to communicate in virtual settings from anywhere in the world. The potential uses for VR and AR will grow as technology advances, extending into fields like tourism, architecture, and even social interaction. These immersive technologies have the potential to completely change the way we interact, learn, and work. 7. Commercialization and space exploration. Government organizations like NASA are no longer the only ones involved in space exploration. The push to lower the cost and increase accessibility to space travel is being spearheaded by private enterprises like Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, and Blue Origin. Science, technology, and even travel will all see new opportunities as a result of the commercialization of space. The cost of space launches has already dropped significantly because to SpaceX's creation of reusable rockets, opening the door for more regular missions. Companies are already making plans for space tourism, and they see a day when people will be able to fly outside of Earth's atmosphere. Aside from tourism, the possibility of developing settlements on Mars or the Moon, mining asteroids for rare metals, and carrying out research in microgravity settings might completely transform a number of earthly sectors. Space exploration may open up previously unthinkable prospects and new resources as it becomes more practical. Result: in summary, the technical advancements covered here, including biotechnology, AI, quantum computing, renewable energy, driverless cars, VR or AR, and space travel, have the potential to drastically alter the course of human history. These developments could reinvent the human experience, tackle difficult global problems, and completely transform entire sectors. These technologies have amazing prospects for development, sustainability, and advancement as they advance. But they also provide obstacles that need to be carefully avoided, such as moral dilemmas and legal restrictions. Responsible development, progressive legislation, and a dedication to guaranteeing that the advantages of these technologies are distributed evenly throughout society are essential for fully realizing the revolutionary potential of these technologies. One thing is certain as we look to the future: these groundbreaking inventions will have a significant impact on how future generations perceive the world. Let us know in the comments what you think about the technologies that will change the world, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.